So today we will start and the ride begins. Ganpati as well as feast. Mother Mary feast. So we are ready? Are we? Yes, we are. So my sound check. Sound check. Accelerator check, done. Brake check, done. Let's move. Okay, there is some issue. We are not able to see the issue. Okay, somebody is texting me. What's happening? Okay, so there is a big issue there. Somebody has blocked the road, but we will make way for ourselves. Ayyo. Chalo. So let's start. This is a new police station and some construction work going on. Oh, the roads are still yet to be built and helmets are required. People pull out the helmets. I don't know why they are not wearing the helmets. Once the police fines, then only they will wear the helmet, and after a 500 rupees fine, it doesn't matter if you are wearing a helmet or not. Once you are fined, and once your head is gone, everything is gone. See, these ladies also, women. And you can see here lightings and all, lighting and biking stuff together. Helmets are there, 200 rupees, which is not worth it. And kya hi bola, teddy, small teddy is going. One teddy is there in Australia, one teddy is there here in her hands. Oh my god, dogs are sleeping. Oh my god, Ganpati Visarjan. No, it is not Visarjan, it is Sthapana plus eating and all is happening. Oh, cutie. Oh, blocky. Why they are blocking the roads? I don't understand. People should not be blocking roads, right? Okay, see, Aprilia. I love this scooty because of it, the fat tire. And also see, there is a Shivji ka temple here. Now you can see people coming in. Okay, it is too dangerous to cross roads like this. Oh, see, people are coming. This side also they are coming. See how people are here. Where they are coming? They are coming. लाइन पे इस पार क्यों आते हैं ये लोग? So we won't take this. We will take the next one. Oh, now it is visible. You guys will be able to see this new furniture. Someone named Tanu. Okay, so there are breakers. I don't know why they have put the breakers here, but yes, there are breakers. Another one to come. I love Bangalore because of breakers only. You can find speed breakers everywhere. See, another one to come. See, 3 on the go. It's like you count the breakers and stars would be less. Oh my god, he's doing delivery. One delivery happens in hospital, one he is doing here. So it's Christmas now. Because of the Christmas store. Oh, they have blocked the road with the help of a truck. They are like, pay us, otherwise we won't let you go. Oh, Kotak is here also. Oh, so we can come here as well. Kotak Global Payments. But they don't pay. Dadaji is going very slow. Oh, so one bike store here, all scooties. Shiv naam ka bike store. There is no bike. Only 1, 2. Here also there is a R15, but nobody will buy from this particular one because the owner is having ego. See again, one more illiterate person, no, over-educated person. My gloves are soothing because of the air vents. Otherwise, if it would have been the winter gloves, I would have sweat that out. The hand would have gone. So here only we have to go. I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one because the scooty is also taking a turn here. Yes. So that's the one. We have elbows also. I fear the elbows like hell. Elbows कहीं पे भी घूम जा सकते हैं, मतलब कहीं पे भी घुमा लेते हैं वो, पता नहीं क्या ही करते हैं वो elbows. Another bumper. Okay. We'll put the lights on and then we will take a turn. I love Indian roads because of such turns. You can take a turn anywhere you want. See? Are you able to see this? This is India. And green fly. If you want a green fly timber at home, you have got it from Bangalore. This location. I'll set the camera angle and we are now. Okay. We will ride at a normal temperature at a normal speed. So the temperature is almost around 27-28 and we are normally riding at a normal speed of 60 in the economy range of 40-50 because in Bangalore you cannot go fast. If you go fast, the traffic will pull you down. A lot of honking so that going happens. That's why honking. They all are showcasing their horns which they have put by 2000 rupees, an extra 100 for the fitting charges. We have also put it, so we will also showcase. Oh my god, how he is going. He has got urination, so that's why he is going fast. Otherwise 2 numbers. सुसु आई होगी या तो पॉटी आई होगी, इसीलिए इतना स्पीड में जा रहा है, नहीं तो जान का खतरा कोई नहीं लगाता. So breeza, let us breathe, let us go. Okay, we will give the blinker and we will go to the side and then we will go on the side of the breeza. Let us breathe, breeza. Oh, he has written Shri, but he has forgot to write Jai and Ram at the last. So Jai Shri Ram. Or otherwise somebody would have pulled it off. Oh, the illumination guy is here only. Now he has controlled it, so that's why he is riding slow now. Oh my god. That is खाते पीते घर की लड़की. You cannot do body shaming. That looks like a Ganpati, lady Ganpati. On a lighter note, lady Ganpati is there. But how do people not know that they are becoming fat? They should actually not body shaming, but they should be knowing when the thing is increasing. Actually, there is some diseases also like thyroid and all. People they don't want to become fat, but they become fat. But they should cure it at the right age. Okay, let's not get into that particular topic because I am not a racist or not a body shamer either. I am just a rider. Okay. So engineer by profession and rider by passion. Oh my god. Oh, that's an NS. Oh my god. Seriously, big step. Oh, bikes. All the way long bikes. I love bikes. बहुत सारे बाइक्स हैं. NS तो हमारा प्यारा NS क्यूट सा लगता है. छपरी बाइक. पीपल ने छपरी बोल दिया है. सुजुकी, दिस इज फॉर रोड terrains basically. 4-shifter and it has got suspensions as well. Middle suspension, one suspension, and it has got a torque of somewhere around 19 and 250 is the cc. altogether it is a good bike, but NS looks stylish because of the road clearance and all things. This also has a road clearance because of the stuff it does, the Transroader. See, there is a child which is trying to write something with a pen, but I think she is a writer OP. OG writer, original writer. Oh my god. She is like, what should I write? There is a Ganpati day, there is a Sunday. See, sudden braking. She is able to see in my camera, she is able to see herself. That's why. Is it recording? I don't think so. Yes, it is. Ayyo. These roads and the people here are mad. She is trying to write something. She is trying to make a tattoo. She is a tattoo artist, we discovered. Hey! Girl, will you do me a tattoo? Okay? How will it cost me? Oh my god, NS. Let's ask the girl if she wants to do a tattoo to me. I will get tattooed mom and dad. Or otherwise the Suchi rider. Yes, it is. It is recording. It is. I think so, it is recording. We will have to check, but not in the middle of the traffic. Otherwise it will be gone. The efforts would be gone. I think it is recording. Guys, comments and let me know if it is recording or not. How will you comment? I will post it tomorrow only. Guys, just kidding. Guys, just like, share, comment and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if in case you want anything to be included which is getting excluded. And let me know if you want to get tattooed by the girl, little girl. Okay. Just comment down what tattoo would you like to make. And if... Okay, you go first. No, you don't go. Let me go then. Oh my god, it is stuck on the sides. These people are so good, they are letting us go from the sides. Okay, they heard it. That's why they are not letting us go now. Oh my god, that's a new driver. He is not able to go ahead. Oh, we will stop somewhere and we'll see if it is recording or not. After this traffic jam, devastating traffic jam, Bangalore roads. See, that's a JCB. That's Yogi Baba's JCB. Yogi Adityanath, you know. Okay, delivery person. We will also go follow the delivery guys because they are riding and they are the asli riders. They bring burgers to your house really soon, right? Burgers, french fries, pastries, right? You name it, they will bring it. Just Zomato it, don't Swiggy it, because it was a bad experience in Swiggy. I ordered food, I ordered veg, they brought me prawns. I don't like prawns. Actually I like prawns, but that day I was wanting to eat veg roll. But they brought paneer roll. Instead of paneer roll, they bought what? Prawn roll. So that's why we are getting it done. Okay, so what we will do is we will cross the flyover and after that we will see if in case, because we have got a blank road now, so we have to go ahead and speed up a little, otherwise we will not reach the fest at time. So, Ganapati. चलो बढ़िया है. बैंगलोर में ऐसा ही ट्रैफिक होता है भाई, हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है. तो हम लोग साइड लगाएंगे, हम लोग देंगे ब्लिंकर, साइड चले जाएंगे और उसके बाद यहाँ पे आके ऐसे करके साइड पूरा साइड लगा के हम लोग देख लेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है कि नहीं. Is it recording? Is it recording? It is happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening, bro. It's happening. Chalo, let's go. Oh my god. This is a cardiac center. Those who laugh a lot, they don't have to come. those who make their faces grumpy, no, they have to come very often. Very often they have to come here. So keep laughing, guys, and do not do like this stuff. This is a crime on roads. You should, if you want to go ahead and turn left, you should keep your vehicle left prior to that particular left. You understood? People from the left will comment left, people from the right will comment right. Don't swigate, guys. Should we go inside? No, not required. That's a lot of buses inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buses. Sometimes you don't get buses in this only, but sometimes you will get too many buses. See, 5. And people are enjoying. They have kept their foots up. They are enjoying. People are seeing. He is thinking that what has happened now? What is this? Oh, pan masala. Guys, do not eat pan masala. These buses are giving a wrong information. No tobacco, no nicotine. See, it has been written there. But that has not been written in bold. Pan masala has been written in bold. Hypocrisy की भी सीमा होती है. See, Ajay Devgan also. I hate Ajay Devgan because he sells pan masala. Bolo Juba Kesari. We won't tell bull. Why will we say Bolo Juba Kesari? We will only eat milkshake. That too pista badam. Oh, that's a church. No, that's a bus now. While coming, I will. Okay, this is the church, and that is St. Anthony's Ferry. If changing lanes without even giving a blinker is a crime, bro. You should be knowing it. 41 minutes or seconds. Okay, it is seconds. Oh, we came to the first. Oh my god, that's a Java, Bobber. That's a Gixxer. These kind of bikes, they... Oh, that's a cutie one. Small little kid. Skoda, this car is also good. Okay, people. It's just Bangalore things. These 3 bikes is not there. People, they just have to honk and they are in so much hurry. I don't know where they will go in the Sunday. They are in so much hurry now. See? He also has his sister's marriage and he has the keys of the house, the marriage hall. That's why he is doing fast. People at home are calling, where are you? The marriage is supposed to happen now. Okay, this car person is saying that why should the scooters and bikes have all the fun? I will also have the fun. Okay, see, that's the baby. Oh my god, this is a festival happening, burger festival. Why do they have to put so big burgers? I'm now wanting and craving burgers. What is this? ये कुछ अच्छा सा कोई घर है. Oh, this is an apartment. See, Razor Pay. Never buy from Razor Pay. 2%, 3% they charge for nothing. They give you a service like people at Razor Pay are also. I've had an experience. That's why I'm saying. पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. तो पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर रिव्यू करो. I have already इस्तेमाल of 5. That's why I'm giving review of 5. रिलेटिवली खाली है. बैंगलोर को कम मत समझिएगा ट्रैफिक में. ये ट्रैफिक जो आप देख रहे हो, सी देखिए रोड ऐसे क्रॉस करते हैं लोग यहाँ पे. मतलब दे वोंट इवन सी द बाइक्स. दे विल जस्ट लुक डाउन. दे विल सी हाउ गुड द रोड इज बिल्ट एंड दे विल क्रॉस. No matter in the next second there will be posters on the road or otherwise in their houses, and people will be like making reels out of their picture. See, Thar is getting modified. Thar is very good, yeah. The weather is very good, and you can see the eagles also there. The eagles are flying high, and they are enjoying the weather up. Here is a little bit of warmth you can feel because of the vehicles and all, but up there would be too much cold because the weather is cloudy and we are cloudy. I don't know what that means, but it was rhyming, so I said. Okay, 26 seconds. Will we cross or not? जानने के लिए देखिए अगला एपिसोड. नहीं अब इसी एपिसोड में दिखा देंगे भाई. Stay tuned. We crossed it. Because the people allowed us to cross. So that's an alone thela. I think that would be used for Son Papdi. Oh, Avenger. That's got a flag. How it is standing. Oh, Baba. Auntie जा रही है अकेले. Oh, God. Let's go now. Oh, there is a Bosch. Bosch in the posh area. Oh my God, tripling, and that too without a helmet. You should always wear helmet, guys. If there is a kid also, you should buy a helmet for him or her. अरे किसे रेस लगाओगे? देखो किसे रह जाओगे? कहाँ पड़े हो चक्कर में? कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. देखो ऐसे चले जाएंगे हम. देखो. अरे उसका तो मिरर टूटा गया. ओ गणपति. जय गणपति. सुखर का दुखर का. So that's a chartered center only for chartered planes, क्या? But that's a cute Ganpati airport. Oh, अयो, that kid is looking at us. Biker OP. Oh my God. Mother Mary. Oh, that's a small cute Ganpati. Jai Ganpati. And that's a cute Nala. There were cops that side. They were also looking from which graha he has come, which planet, why he has set up a lot of things on his vehicle. They were just wondering why the hell is he shooting us? Not literally shooting, but with the phone or the camera or the mount. Oh, but they realized later because nowadays everyone is an YouTuber, right? So आपका भाई भी यूट्यूबर ही है. Yes. And देखिए यहाँ पे मदर मेरी का एक चैपल भी है. Oh my God, they have decorated it. Can you believe this? And there are songs playing, and also see there is a chapel which has been put. Oh, great, yeah.